Welcome to Shen's Big World 2019 time, and sorry about the glitch in the last video. Well, today, just destroy us out of the way. You must wear your boots. Hold on. Something to do here, so I'll show you how foggy it's out. So you can't see too much fog, but it's still foggy out. See? It's like outside my window. Scars. Over here. Must be a foggy day, guys. Thanks a lot to whoever like whoever in Storm Showed. I don't think on your weather radio you can receive a dense fog advisory. Like, let me show you the advisory watching warning. Like, this is the advisory. If you receive advisory in here, the advisory, which is yellow, will pop here, and the watch, like, say you received a flood watch, it will pop on here. It will be orange, and if you receive like a freeze warning here, the red will pop here, and it will say beep boo beep boo. The National Weather Service issued a freeze warning, and like, let me show you where it is first. Oops, maybe I should go close my door. I don't want Mom hearing it at like 7 in the morning. Well, I don't want Mom yelling at me during this video. I'll try the best I can, guys. It's here somewhere. There it is. See, you've got a freeze warning. See? And if you go, see? Flood. Watch. Now. See? Here. See? Yellow, orange, red. This could be a rare storm. It's dust storm warning. Patches/demo. It's like a tornado drill, or a fire drill, in case it was like a real tornado or fire. Yeah, but mostly fires and tornadoes do happen across the earth every maybe month. I don't think they happen every minute. Yeah, it's just unbelievable. Wildfires. Definitely not wildfires every day, but thanks a lot, Mom Canvas. I always wanted this radio ever since I started watching EAS videos. Yeah. So Noah, get your Noah Public Alert Radio today. Alright, guys. Let's wrap this up now. Thank you guys so much for watching. Subscribe to our channel, everybody. Like this video, leave comments down below, press the notification bell so if you don't miss any of our videos. See who.